to be posted as the first promo. You do too much. Like, at this point, fuck your money, fuck you. You ain't getting shit from me. Like, you just did too much. Like, I hate your kind. Like, bad. Fuck me wrong.
Nigga talk about he hate my motherfucking kind.
Girl, what the fuck
Let me
is
stop
you
this.
talking about?
So when he sent me that, I was mad. So I didn't even listen to it. I was like, don't talk to me, bro. I ain't listening to that shit. I said, send us our refunds and we will let it go. It's simple. He like, nope, fuck you and that refund. I'll post the screenshots again. So we going back and forth again, y'all. And let me find the other voice recording. So he sends this.
Nobody ignored you. I'm not obligated to wake up and say, okay, the bitch Marie wants me to respond to her. I didn't see your message, bitch. Stop thinking you know shit. Like you thought I was the Ruth Chris off your money and I've been with the Ruth Chris.
Y'all, you went off my motherfucking money. Shut the fuck up.
Relax, chill out. Y'all do these to these big companies who be having y'all wait weeks and days for y'all shipment and packages. The fuck be wrong,
Y'all, and this nigga talking about we don't wait for shipments from these big companies when we order packages. When we order from Amazon, we get a confirmation email. After that confirmation email, we get an email sent saying your package will ship around this date. When that package ships, we get a message that says your package has shipped. And if our package don't arrive by the date that they send the email saying it will arrive, we get an email that say, oops, your package is late. New delivery scheduled for this time. So don't even compare yourself to these big companies because you taking people's money and you're not communicating with them. You're not giving them no type of confirmation. You're